Hello everyone, I'd like to give you just a quick introduction to the President's TeleCare online timesheet system. So you'll notice now that when you log in, you get taken to this page. And if you want to go ahead and go straight to your therapy room, you can go ahead and click on Go to Room. But let's just stick around here for a second. So our online timesheet system allows you to do basically two things. One is to record your time, and two is to record notes from each session. And we kind of like to have you do them at the same time because it's just faster than waiting till the end of the month and doing them all in one long run. You can just do them as you go along. So let's start with how you record your session notes. You'll notice that you have when you select clients here, you'll have a list of your assigned students. We will have that pre-populated for you, and then for each student, you'll have some basic information. Here we just have birth date and some school information. You'll see the same thing for another student. We'll soon be adding more stuff like IEP goals, IEP due date, but for now we just have the basics. So let's say you did a session with Sandy Lerman today and you want to record that session. You want to record some notes in that session. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus. It opens up the little dialog box. Let's say that the session happened today, November 4th, at 2 p.m. Let's just say it was a half-hour session. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the start time here. I'm going to click, I can either type or our down arrow, up arrow to select the actual time that it started. So I'm going to go 02 and I'm going to say, type in 30. And it's 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. If I needed to change the student, I could do that, but it's already set to Sandy. And then I can select the type of time it was. And we reviewed what each of these means in our call, and I'm happy to share the background on that with you at another time. But let's just say that this was a direct therapy session. And so now that I've selected the type of therapy, I can go ahead and type up a couple notes, and I'll say something like, Sandy attended very well today. And I can even record some data if I want, synonyms, 60% accuracy. Now, soon we'll give you the ability to record to import the data that you recorded during the session. You'll be able to record it into your session notes. But for now, you'll just be able to type in whatever you like, and then you hit save, and it becomes part of your sort of library of session notes. If I want to go back and see previous, sort of look back in my journal, I can look at previous sessions. This would be yesterday, the day before, and you can see what you wrote up about each session. If I want to edit a previous session, I click on this pencil here, and I can add notes to that session, hit save. If I want to delete a session, I just hit this trash can here while I'm on a session. And that's basically it for recording session notes. Now, let's talk about time. Say you're kind of in the middle of the month, or you're coming to the end of the month, and you want to see sort of how your therapy's been going, how you've been spending your time. If you click on the timesheet view, you can see a record of all your previous sessions. Right now, this is just all the sessions that I've done in November. You see it has the date, the start time, the end time. It has the duration here. It has the client, the school. That'll be automatically populated because if we know a student, we know what school they're with, and the type of therapy. You can see all the different types there. Again, if I want to add a session, I can just go ahead and click on the plus sign and record a session the same way I did it on the timesheet tab. Same thing with editing a session or deleting session, the pencil and the trash can. So if it's kind of coming to the end of the month and you want to sort of make your timesheet official, we ask that you click Submit. When I do that, it says, are you sure you want to submit your timesheet? And it'll submit everything from the first of the month to the date that that you're currently on. You click Yes, and you will get, by email, you'll get a spreadsheet of your times, and we'll get a copy as well saying that this is the time that you officially submitted. So that's the basics of recording a timesheet and time. One note is that you may want to be doing this sort of while you're doing therapy in the middle of the day. For that, we suggest that it might be good to have two tabs open so that you can flick back and forth between the regular session room, which I've got open here, and your time recording system. In the next version, we'll have the ability to access the timesheet system from the therapy room. But for now, we've got them separate. So anyway, that's the basic intro of the first version of our timesheet system. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for helping us get this going.